Well, welcome to our lecture. This is a third lecture from the course Calculus of Several Variables. Here in this lecture, let us learn more examples on domain of function of two or more variables. Let us have first example. Z is equal to f of xy, which is equal to log of y square minus x. Now, let us go for the domain of this function. Therefore, by the definition, domain of f is equal to set of all order base xy such that f of xy is defined. Well, now here in this case, f of xy is defined as ln of y square minus x. Okay, and ln of y square minus x is defined. In fact, logarithm of some function is defined whenever it is only positive. Means we know that log of negative term does not exist, and therefore this function is defined if and only if y square minus x is positive. Okay, and this means that this is equal to, we can write it as order pair xy such that y square is greater than x. Well, once we say that what y square is greater than x, it means that what we have xy such that x is less than y square. X is less than y square. Okay. Now this is what you can have the domain of function f, which is given to us. Now let us go for the sketch of this one. Okay. We know that pi square is equal to x is a parabola, and therefore we can have the sketch of this one is like this. This is what x-axis, as we know. This is what y-axis, it's a origin, and y is equal to x square. Y square is equal to x, or x is equal to y square, is a parabola whose sketch is this one. Okay, this is what origin, and this is the parabola. Okay, let me write here what x is equal to y square, or y square is equal to x. Now we have what we have here. Our domain is nothing but order per xy such that what y square is greater than x. This is what we have, and therefore all these points which are here, this is what we have the region where we are getting y square is greater than x. This is what we have the sketch of the domain for the given function f of xy. This is what domain of f, which is equal to order pair xy, okay, such that y square is greater than x, okay, and where what is f? F is nothing but ln of y square minus x. This is one more example which we have now along with yesterday's or previous lectures. Okay, now let us go for another example. Say z is equal to g of xy. Z is equal to g of xy root 9 minus x square minus y square, so that domain of z is equal to domain of z is equal to order xy such that root 9 minus x square minus y square is defined. Okay. Now the question is that when a root of something is defined, as we know that what if this quantity is what greater than or equal to 0, then we can say that what root of that function is defined. It means that what 9 minus x square minus y square is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. If we go on solving this one or simplify this one, then we will find that what you are getting, it is nothing but order xy, where what we are getting x square plus y square is less than or equal to 9. Okay, and we know that it is nothing but what is geometrical or what is the sketch? Sketch gives me set of all points inside and on this circle of radius, okay, 3 and center 0, 0. Now with this one, what it gives me set of all points inside and on the circle of radius 3 and center 0, 0, and you can able to scale this one because this is what you can call it as a standard circle of radius 3. Okay. Well, now let us have one more example, and then we will move for the next point from our statement. Okay. Next example that we will have here is, say, W is equal to f of xy, which is equal to ln of 9 minus x square minus y square into x square plus y square minus 4. This is what we have. Now, therefore, domain of W is equal to, as per the definition, order for xy such that what? This 9 minus, ln of, 9 minus x square minus y square into x square plus y square minus 4, okay, is defined. This is what we have as per the definition of domain of function. Okay, and therefore, after this one, as we know, it's an order pair xy such that when logarithmic function is defined, if and only 9 minus x square minus y square into x square plus y square minus 4 is positive, is strictly greater than 0, then and only then we can find out the log of what? This term. Otherwise, it is not possible to find out log of this term. And once it is not possible, means what? Log of this term is not defined, and hence the function will not be defined. Okay. Therefore, what we have now, if you try to simplify this one, then what you get is this. It is nothing but the order pair xy from what? Real numbers, such that what happened here, 4 is less than x square plus y square is less than 9. Okay. And what this is nothing but geometrically, it is, okay, it is the set of all points. It is nothing but the set of all points within the two concentric circles of radius 2 and 3. What it gives me? The domain of given function w. It gives me the set of all points within the two concentric circles of radius 2 and 3. Okay, comma center. Okay, at origin 0, 0. Okay, now very quickly let us have a figure of this one, and then we will move to the next one. Well, what we have here, this is a circle. My drawing is not somehow good, therefore you need to consider this as a circle, right? Now this is one circle whose radius is, this is what, 2, and then another circle is there. This one from this to this point. Okay, this is x-axis. This is a y-axis. This to this one. This is a origin. This is a. This is a B. Okay, here, yes, OA is 2 and OB is 3, and therefore, as per this one, yeah, as per our say, it is set of all points within the two concentric circles of radius 2 and 3 and center at 1, 0, 0. It means that what? It gives me all this one. It's what? Less than. Yeah, our domain is nothing but what? 4 is less than x square plus y square is less than 9. Okay, and therefore all these points, okay, this is what you have, the domain of the given function. Okay, we can say this is what we have, the domain of the given function. Okay, but always remember that the points which are on the boundary of this circle are not included in the domain of this function, and therefore, okay, these boundary, boundary is what? Dotted one. Similarly, the points which are on the boundary, okay, of the inner circle are also not included, and hence this one is also, we have shown it by what? Dotted line. Okay. It, in fact, the area within this one, okay, greater than radius 2 and less than radius 3. Okay, this is what you have here. Let me write all this one as what? 3. Therefore, this is the area where given function is defined. Okay. Now, with this one, let us give the full stop for the article, very first one, which is nothing but find the domain and sketch it. Okay. Now let us